Shemai, and welcome to MG's Garden. My name is Martyn and I'm wishing you all a happy Easter. Now it's April 2020. It's a tough time. It's the time of the coronavirus, and it's a time to stay at home. And these are the things that I've been doing while I've been stuck at home. I've been practising. Golf in Welsh is golf. I've been planting. Gardening in Welsh is garddio. And I've been praying. And praying in Welsh is gweddïo. I've been praying for good health, for friends and family, and everybody, of course. I've been thanking God for obviously doctors and nurses, everybody on the front line, and everybody who's staying at work, who's working hard during this time to keep us safe and to keep us fed and maintained. And also asking questions. And I just wonder as a Christian whether God is using this time to make people ask questions, because we're so used to governments leading everything, finances being looked after. But I think this coronavirus is just showing that no government can rule this, and God is bigger than that. Maybe some people don't believe there is a God. Okay, that's your choice, of course, but I do, and I just wonder whether this is a time where God is asking people to ask questions themselves. And that's why I can say Happy Easter, of course, because it is at this time 2,000 years ago that God showed his love for the world by sending his son Jesus to die on the cross for all the bad things that we have ever done. But of course, on Easter Sunday, Jesus came back to life, and that gives us hope for a future, a hope to get out of this coronavirus, a hope for the rest of our lives, and even a hope for after our lives. You know how many people say after somebody's died, oh, they're looking down on me now. Well, from where? From heaven. But the only hope of that heaven is Jesus.
When Monday morning comes, you will be far away. When Monday morning comes, you won't hear me say how great it's been to share this week with you. How great it's been to get to know you. But when Monday morning ends and something new begins, another chance to serve the Lord among new friends. But I hope you don't forget the good times. I hope you won't forget the children. I hope you still remember from when we were together in Wales. I hope you don't forget the good times. I hope you won't forget the children. I hope you still remember from when we were together in Wales. When Monday morning comes, you will be far away. When Monday morning comes, you won't hear me say how great it's been to share this week with you. How great it's been to get to know you. But when Monday morning ends and something new begins, another chance to serve the Lord among new friends. But I hope you don't forget the good times. I hope you won't forget the children. I hope you still remember from when we were together in Wales. I hope you don't forget
So I do wish you a happy Easter and hope you join me again. So Easter, of course, in Welsh is Pasg. So happy Easter is Pasg hapus. Hwyl fawr am y tro. Hwyl fawr.